Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I am going to be doing a first impressions of the Makeup Revolutions, the Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette. If you like and enjoy these type of videos, keep watching. Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on this the Makeup Revolutions Forever Flawless, the Birds of Paradise palette. I picked this up from Ulta and I think it's been out for a little bit, but I wanted it because of, look at all those pretty colors. Just super cute colors. So I thought that I would save this and do a first impressions, and I'm just gonna do a eyeshadow look using this, and I will let you know in the end of the video what I think about the palette. So first I'm going to start out with sanitizing my hands. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be taking my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. I've already done my foundation and everything, and I thought using this would make the colors really pop. So I just always take it and just go over it. And I'm going to take my M167, which everybody knows that's my favorite brush. I'm going to pat it on really good with that one, with this. And then the first shade, I'm going to take my e.l.f. flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take, it's called Take Flight. And Take Flight is this pretty shade right here. I think I'm just going to pat that in the crease. And what I like about this eyeshadow palette, it also comes with a mirror, and I can just use this mirror instead of the one I have in front of me, which I most of the time use both mirrors. I'm going to try to create a really pretty colorful look, because I love a colorful look, especially in the summertime. It's really pretty. I knew it would go on really pretty with the white base. Because the white base makes it really pop. Which a lot of colors I use when I use my conceal and define. They usually look pretty good. It usually does really good with color. But anytime you use a white base, it really makes it pop. And I hardly ever use a white base anymore. just going to blend that a little bit. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Carnival, right there. And it's like a really pretty orange. It's a little darker than Toucan Play. And I'm just gonna go right over Take Flight. Go on top of it, just pat it on. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Take Flight. Oh, it's pretty. I just lost a little bit of it. But they blend so well. It's just that the matte shades are, because they're matte, when you blend them out, it's a possibility of losing the colors. I'm gonna go back in with Milk on my M167 and begin to cut the crease so that I can start adding the other colors. To use this mirror because I do not want to mess up on this cut crease. I decided to like wing it out. You have to trust the process. It's gonna come out really cute. Trust me. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Tail Feather. And it's that shade right there. And I'm just going to put it on the inner corner. They are super pigmented. I love them. I think I'm gonna try them with my conceal and define and see if it's as pigmented as using it with the NYX eyeliner with the white base. But I think they will be because they are just super pigmented. I love them. I'm loving it so far. And then I'm going to try and put Vacay right next to it. I'm going to do the same on this eye, the other eye. Oh, those colors are just, oh, I love them. Let me know down in the comments if you have this palette. And how you like the shades in it. Because so far I'm loving it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Vacay. Okay, now I'm going to take Tweet, and that is the shade Tweet, and it is a really pretty like tangerine color, but it's a lot darker than Carnival and Toucan Play. That is Carnival, the one I put in the crease, and then Toucan Play is a little lighter. But I just had to use this shade, and I'm going to what? This is just too cute. I cannot believe how pretty this shade is. I should have just put this shade on the whole lid just by itself. Wow. I am obsessed. With this color. And I wasn't gonna use this one, but I'm glad I did because I am just, oh God, it is so pigmented. So far, I think it is the best one in the palette, the best shade in the palette. And I love pink, but I think this one is just the best one. My little glitter brush that I just picked up in a set from Amazon. I've had these for quite a while. I'm going to take my continuous setting spray and spray my brush, and we are going to see how the glitters work. And I'm going to be taking Lovebirds, which is this pretty, it's like a, it looks purple, but I'm going to put it right over tail feathers, and we're going to see how pigmented the glitters are. Ooh. I thought I was going to have to use like a glitter glue, but it works just fine with wetting your brush a little bit. Wet my brush a little bit more so I can do the other eye. Ooh. I like a lot of glitter. But I also like to pat it out so it doesn't look clumpy on the eye. I so want to use Rio. And it's such, I can't wait to try that one. And Rio is this one next to Lovebirds. But it is super cute. Go back over each color. Just a little. Then I'm going to take my M506 and do a brow bone shade. And I think I'm going to take Hot Tropic. I like this palette because it has some cute little names too. And this is Hot Tropic. I probably should have bent that back to start with, but I didn't know if it was going to break. Just to give it a little bit of shimmer. And the glitter is not bad. It doesn't, like most palettes, the glitter gets everywhere. Okay, I'm going to take my LA Colors liquid eyeliner. Then for mascara, I'm using the Great Lash by Maybelline. I got me a new mascara. Well, it's not new, but it's different from what I have been using. And it's in the shade Black is Black. And look at the one on it. I love it. Love this one. It really gives your lash a flare, and I love to use it especially on my bottom lashes. because it's so, the one is so small and it really flares them out at the bottom. Okay, and for lashes, I'm going to be taking my Broadway Lashes in the number 304. I haven't used these lashes in a while. Okay, this is the look with the liner, and I'm going to do my lashes and the rest of my face, and I will come back with the finished look and let you know what I think about this palette. Okay, this is the finished look and how it turned out with the lashes. I really like this palette, so if you don't already have it, I suggest you getting this palette. And this is the Makeup Revolution's Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette, and I really like it, and it has so many pretty shades in there. And the ones I used today was Tweet, Carnival, Vacay, Take Flight, Lovebirds, Rio, and then in my inner tear duct I use Cockatoo, which is this pretty white, and then I put Rio under my for my lash line, and I really love this palette. I will be doing another look using this. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see that. And I just want to show you these glitter shades. This one is Rio, that one is Lovebirds, and then I'm going to do, I'm going to do Vacay. That's Vacay. Take Flight, which is a pretty mint shade. Tweet. Ooh, yes, Tweet is my favorite. And I don't know, it's not showing up. It's good. There it is. Oh, I love it. And then Tail Feather. And then I'm going to show you Cockatoo, which is a pretty white. Pretty white. And then for my brow bone shade, I used Hot Topic. That is Hot Topic. Hot Tropic. It's Hot Tropic. I don't know if it is showing up. But I will definitely be doing another eyeshadow look using this palette. This was $15 and free at the time. I got a Brave Spirit palette, which I dropped it and broke some of the shades in it, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to show it. I'm not going to be able to show it because it is just, and it has some really pretty shades in it too. Put a picture up on the screen showing you a picture of it, but I do not want to open it because it is really damaged. But I will give you one last look at all the pretty shades in this palette, and I love it. It is well worth the $15. And then on my lips, I used it's the NICKA K Coffee lip liner, and on the inside I put the medium nude, This is the medium nude. And then coffee for the liner. I like to do that because it makes it, some liners look just like lipstick, and it was a really pretty nude, so I thought I would try it that way. And then for the gloss, I used my Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy, and it's in the shade Fairy Almond, and that's the gloss that I put on top. And then for my blush, I used this Sweet Shimmers blush palette, and I got that from Ulta, and it was, I think, part of one of their Christmas collections. And these are the shades, and I used all three of them. I just mixed them together for blush. And then for my highlighter, I used my OFRA highlighter in SOHO, which if you watch my Ipsy video, I received this in my Ipsy bag for June. So that is it for my first impressions of the Revolution's Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment, thumbs up this video, share this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at MissHighMaintenance_33. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!